In this video from Device Doctor, we're going to review the HP ScanJet Pro 3000 S3 scanner. It's a fast and powerful device that makes scanning documents easier than ever. If you're looking for a professional scanner, stay with us until the end.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
The HP ScanJet Pro 3000 S3 is a compact, high-speed sheet-fed scanner designed for efficient document management in small to medium-sized offices. This scanner connects via USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 super speed for fast data transfer. An additional USB 2.0 port allows for an optional wireless accessory to enable Wi-Fi scanning. The HP ScanJet Pro 3000 S3 has dimensions of 310 by 198 by 190 millimeters and weighs 2.5 kilograms. This device is equipped with an automatic document feeder, ADF, with a capacity of 50 sheets, allowing for continuous document scanning. It also supports duplex scanning, enabling automatic double-sided scanning for increased efficiency. This scanner is compatible with Windows 7, 8, 8.1.10, both 32-bit and 64-bit, and macOS, OS X El Capitan 10.11. The scanner offers fast scanning speeds of up to 35 pages per minute and 70 images per minute, allowing for efficient document handling. It provides a high 600 dpi resolution for clear, sharp, and accurate scans. With its duplex scanning, both sides of a document are captured in a single pass. This ensures excellent quality and productivity for both personal and professional use. That's it for today's review of the HP ScanJet Pro 3000 S3. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Device Doctor for more in-depth reviews and tech tips. Stay tuned for more.